Back in the kitchen with Gina Sunderland of Manitoba Chicken. Gina, we're into the fall months now, and one of my favorite things is to pull out that crock pot, slow cooker. And that's exactly what we're using for our recipe today. Tell us about it.
So today we are making our Char Sui Pulled Chicken. It is my favorite Manitoba Chicken slow cooker recipe. We have all kinds of other great ones too on manitobachicken.ca, but I love this one because the flavors are delicious. There's a little bit of barbecue sauce, Asian flavors, citrus. It comes together so easily. One of the great things is, Terry, if you put your crock pot on the high setting, this can be ready in as little as 3 to 4 hours.
Nice.
Yes, we're using tender, moist, skinless, boneless chicken thighs so they cook up nice and quick, fall apart. They're infused with flavor and they're delicious.
I love that. Chicken thighs are my favorite, and I found out from working with you before that they're really high in iron, even more than any other parts.
That's right. The dark meat is your highest in iron, a super important nutrient for healthy red blood cells.
Excellent.
Yeah, and of course they're moist and so flavorful and delicious. You know, we've got all kinds of other great kitchen gadgets out there. We've got our sous vides, our air fryers, but I think fall is the time of year to just pull out that slow cooker from the back of your pantry. Nothing better than when you come home to the smell of a deliciously prepared healthy meal.
All right, so how does this come together?
I'm going to show you. So easy. So 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, Terry. So nice and simple. And then to really bring on that Asian flavor, we've got half a cup of our hoisin sauce.
Oh, I love the hoisin. Just a little bit of sweetness in there, right?
Yeah, a little bit. And then we've got 1 small chopped red onion.
So again, a little to offset the sweet.
We've got a couple cloves, of course, of minced garlic. Two, 3, whatever you like. We've got a tablespoon of our sesame oil.
Oh, nice. Yes, getting those Asian flavors in there.
Yeah, and then we've got a tablespoon of an Asian chili paste. So sambal ulik.
Just a little kick.
Yeah, a little kick. Not too hot, but just really nicely balances out the flavors. And then we've got the zest of an entire orange.
Ooh, nice.
And we have got the juice of 1 whole orange. And honestly, Terry, that orange flavor comes through just beautifully.
All right.
It adds just such a really, really nice element.
Oh my gosh, that smells good. Okay.
Yeah, and it is that simple. So pour it over your thighs. So about 3 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts as well, whatever your preference. But we were saying we like that tenderness of the thighs and the way they just fall apart to make that beautiful pulled chicken. Okay, so you simply coat your thighs with this beautiful sauce. And then you pop it in your slow cooker.
Should we be giving this time to marinate, or can it pretty much go right from here into the pot? Because it all kind of cooks down anyway.
That's right. It can go right into your slow cooker.
Love this.
Yeah, so when the cooking is done and your thighs are nice and tender, pull them out, just shred them with 2 forks.
Yeah, which is what you're seeing here. So
right, this is exactly what you're seeing. And then you put it back into the juice of the slow cooker, you toss it together, and that creates that beautiful, saucy, pulled chicken.
Oh, I love this. Okay, now we're going to build some sandwiches here. I'm so curious about these buns.
Okay, so I love serving this on toasted pretzel buns and topping with a little coleslaw. You can also serve it on top of a bed of rice. Something I love to do is double or triple this recipe when you're going to feed a crowd. So easy. You have your buns, you have your already made coleslaw. We have a beautiful Asian slaw on our website that goes with this recipe, and your meal is served.
Love this. Just a matter of hours. There it is, manitobachicken.ca.
Can't wait to enjoy these with you, Terry.
Love it.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.